want to be faster when working with Excel? In today's video, I'm gonna show you a lot of shortcuts that will improve your speed tremendously when using Excel. I got you interested? So stay with me, hit like, subscribe, and let's go. So let's start with closing a sheet, an Excel sheet. It's Ctrl W. It will close, maintain Excel opened, but without any kind of sheet. The next one is to open a worksheet. Ctrl O. It's gonna open the menu here, and we can select one of the sheets that we already have, or browse in your computer to find the one that you want. Let me reopen the one that I was using. Now, save a spreadsheet is Ctrl S. You're gonna see here, save it. Again, it's saving. The next one, the Save As. Open the Windows Save As, F12. It's gonna open, then you can save it wherever you want. Edit an active cell, the cell that you are currently selecting, F2. It's the same thing that double clicking with the mouse, but with a button. Execute the last command that you use it in Excel. For instance, let me say here that I copy and paste it. Okay? Let me just open here. Let me do it again. And now I'm gonna press F4. You see that redo it, the paste, that's what F4 do. It will always do the last thing that you did in your Excel. Also, F4 is used to alternate between relative and absolute reference when we're using a cell. Let me see if I have a formula here. I think we have here. For instance, F4 navigates between absolute and relative reference. I have a full video talking about this. Next one, open the Goes To window. It's F5. Here we can select a reference, do a special paste, do a lot of things using that little window. Now to open the Visual Basics, that is where we do our macros. Alt F11 is gonna open Visual Studio. Then we can do it our macros. Now, you know, if we click with the left button of the mouse and extend our mouse, we're gonna select a bunch of cells. We can do that with F8. For instance, I'm selecting this cell here, C13. Now I'm gonna select, after pressing F8, you see that extend selection is highlighted here. I'm gonna select this cell here. Automatically selected the whole range between the C13 and F17, that was the one that I selected. Now if I select just this here, it's gonna do just this row. Here, it's gonna select this range here, and so on. If I want to disable it, just press F8 again. Okay? Now, select a bunch of cells. For instance, if I hit Ctrl, press it and hold it, and select different cells, you see that they are being selected. If I press Shift F8, you see that Add or Remove Selection is highlighted. Then it will do it the same thing, but without the need of pressing Ctrl. If I want to disable it, just hit Ask. Now select the whole sheet. We can press, instead of using this little icon here in the left corner, we can do Shift, Ctrl, Spacebar, Shift, Ctrl, Spacebar, and we selected the whole table. Now, if we want to select just one column, Ctrl, Spacebar, Ctrl, Spacebar, it selected an entire column. If I want to select an entire row, Shift, Spacebar, Shift, spacebar. Okay? Extend the selection of cells to the nearest one. Shift, down, left, up, or right. Now select until the last cell with data. It's Ctrl, Shift, and the keyboard arrow. Here it is. It's selecting until the last one that has data. If I do this to the right, it's going to select until this one, that's the last one with data. And the last but not least, open a new spreadsheet. Ctrl N. It's gonna open a new Excel file. Okay, let me close here. And that's it. A whole bunch of Excel shortcuts that will improve your daily work and make your life a lot easier. So, what do you think of today's video? Let me know all in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I see you guys on our next video.